Today we will learn how to create AI Hyperlapse in Firefly and Premiere Pro. First of all, place the video in the timeline and select the part with in and out selection on which you want to create hyperlapse. Press I key for in and O key for out. I have already selected 22 frames here. Now export it by pressing Ctrl+M. Now keep the format as PNG. Set the file name and keep all images in the folder and export. Now go to Firefly. Scroll down and go to Generative Fill. Go to Upload Image and open the image. Now select Add Brush Tool and select the part which you want to change. Now in the prompt write, Generate with similar heritage image and click on Generate. Now free images will be generated and you can choose any one from them. If you don't like any of them, click on More option. There are some traces of the image left here, but that's okay. First click on the Keep option and then select with Add Brush Tool again and click Generate Directly. Then click on Keep and Download. Do the same with all the other images. You can also generate them by keeping a gap of 2 frames. I have generated 11 frames out of 22 frames. Now come to Premiere Pro and import the image folder. Select the first image in the file and select the Import Sequence option and open it. Keep it between the in and out selections in the timeline. Stretch with the Rate Stretch tool to bring it as same as the selection. That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.